Are you tired of banking on your 9 to 5 living paycheck to paycheck? Well, guess what? I was in that same position. The problem with having a full-time job is that you don't have enough time to work on your side hustles. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you 10 side hustles that will make you money every single day. Not just every 2 weeks, because while you may have a full-time job right now, just getting paid 26 times in 365 days is not my destiny. Whether you're looking for a little extra spending money or want to start saving up for something big, make sure to stay until the end because I've got something for everyone. But if you're new to the channel, I post videos every week to help you own your financial freedom with topics just like this. So stop and hit that subscribe button, then let's get started. Number 1, freelancing. If you're a writer, a designer, or maybe you're good at social media and looking to make some extra cash, freelancing might be the perfect gig for you. You have the ability to work from anywhere in the world on your own schedule. And the great thing is, you can get started with just a few simple steps. First, create a profile on a freelancing platform like Fiverr or Upwork. Then you start promoting your services by writing compelling descriptions of what you can offer to potential clients. You would include how much you want to get paid, maybe a sample of your work and what sort of work you're interested in doing. Then start receiving bids and offers on your services. If you get the gig, that's great. If not, don't worry, just keep trying, because as you build up a positive feedback rating, you'll start getting more offers from potential clients, and before you know it, you'll be raking in the dough in no time. Next, you want to consider social media consulting. Are you good at Twitter or Instagram or maybe TikTok? If so, then you might be ready to start social media consulting. As a social media consultant, you would help businesses navigate the ever-changing world of online marketing. Not only would you be paid for your expertise, but you would also get to flex your creative muscles and come up with all different ways to promote your clients' products. Not only that, you would have the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. Get started by creating your own social media accounts on Instagram, Twitter, and other platforms. Then start building your following by posting interesting content and engaging with other users. This is a great way to make money while doing something you love, and there's no need for expensive office space or equipment, and you can make a lot of money if you're good at what you do. If you happen to be new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so it can be spread to more people. Now, next up is a very popular gig I like, and that's ride sharing. Lyft and Uber are two of the most popular ride sharing companies in the world. They both offer a convenient way to get around, and they're also a great way to make some extra money. You have the ability to set your own hours and earn extra income. You also get to meet interesting people from all walks of life, and you can even learn about your city by driving around and chatting with passengers. Here's how to start making money by ride sharing. Sign up to be a driver for Lyft or Uber. You'll need to provide some basic information as well as pass a background check. Once you're approved, you can start accepting rides. You can use your own car, or you can rent a car from Lyft or Uber, which a lot of people don't know about. When you see a ride that you're interested in, simply accept or decline it and confirm that you're available to pick up the passengers. After you picked up the passengers, drop them off at their destination and collect your payment. It's easy as that. And they also offer bonuses and incentives for drivers who complete a certain number of rides or maintain high ratings. You can cash out earnings whenever you want, and the money will be deposited into your bank account. With gas prices through the roof right now, we need something to offset that expense, so why not sign up if you'll be driving anyways? Next, you want to consider mystery shopping. Making money as a mystery shopper is a great way to earn some extra cash, and it can even be a fun hobby if you're good at it. You can do it on your own schedule, and there are plenty of companies out there that are always looking for new shoppers. Bestmark is one of the leading mystery shopping companies. First, you'll need to create an account with Bestmark. Once you've done that, you can start browsing through the various mystery shopping opportunities that are available on the website. When you find an opportunity that interests you, you can sign up for it and start earning money. Once you're registered, you'll be able to access a list of available mystery shopping assignments in your area. You can choose which assignments you want to take on, and there's no commitment required. You can work as little or as much as you want, and Bestmark will provide you with specific instructions for each task, and it's up to you to complete the task according to those instructions. Once you're done, you'll simply submit your report back to Bestmark and wait to get paid. It's simple as that. Another great side hustle will be number 5, which is Postmates. With no stress and the ability to work on your own schedule, you may want to consider becoming a Postmate. Postmates is an app-based delivery service that allows you to simply pick up food and other items, then deliver it to local businesses. And best of all, there are absolutely no delivery fees. First, you must download the Postmates app and create an account. Then you'll need to enter your contact information and choose a payment method, how you want to get paid. Now you're ready to start picking up deliveries. When you receive a delivery request, you'll have the option to accept or decline it. And if you accept it, you head to the pickup location and then deliver the item to the customer. Once the delivery is complete, you'll receive your payment by the chosen payment method you've provided. It's that simple, and it's a great way to earn some extra cash and get some exercise at the same time. You can work whenever you want, there's no set schedule, and again, it's good to know that there is absolutely no delivery fee. At 6, you can rent out a room on Airbnb. You've probably heard of Airbnb, but you can even make money on Airbnb without even owning property. Airbnb is a great way to start earning extra money as a side hustle, and in order to start making money as a host on Airbnb, simply create a listing for your space. Airbnb does not charge any commission fees. You will need to provide photos and a description of your space as well as pricing information. Once your listing is live, Airbnb will begin sending you guests. You can communicate with guests through Airbnb's app or their messaging system, and you will be responsible for collecting payment from them. And because Airbnb does not charge any commission fees, you will keep the full amount of money that you earn from your guests. This side hustle includes the flexibility to set your own schedule and the ability to meet interesting people from all over the world. Sign up today and start earning money. At number 7, we have personal training. For those of us who love working out and helping others reach their fitness goals, becoming a personal trainer can be the perfect side hustle. Not only do you get to work out for free, but you can also make some extra cash while doing something you're passionate about. Here's how to get started. First, you'll need to become certified. There are plenty of online courses that offer certification, or you can attend a class at your local gym. Once you're certified, start spreading the word. Go ahead and let your friends and family know that you're available for personal training sessions. You need to build up a clientele and start training. Be sure to keep your clients motivated and on track to reach their goals. Once you've built up a solid base of clients, you can start charging for your personal training sessions. The amount that you charge will depend on a number of factors, which includes your experience, the length of the session, and the goals they have set. Then you watch the money roll in each and every day. At number 8, we have event planning. Event planners are always in high demand. While some event planners work for themselves, many work as a part of a team or a larger event planning company. Event planners typically have a keen eye for detail and are able to stay calm under pressure. They are also excellent communicators and have strong interpersonal skills. So if you're interested in becoming an event planner, there are a few things you can do to get started. First, consider taking on small event planning projects as a side hustle. This will give you the opportunity to gain experience and build your portfolio. You can also look into event planning courses and certification programs to help you learn the ropes. Once you have some experience under your belt, you can then start marketing yourself as an event planner and start working with clients to plan weddings, there's parties or corporate events. Get yourself some business cards so you can at least look professional and people can then get a hold of you. Start a website or social media account for your event planning business. This will help give you a place to showcase your work. As an event planner, you can expect to earn a handsome salary and enjoy plenty of job satisfaction. Another thing you may want to consider is house sitting. Are you looking for a side hustle that will allow you to travel the world and get paid to do it? If so, then you should consider becoming a house sitter. There are many benefits to being a house sitter, including getting free accommodation while you travel and earn extra income. Here are a few tips to get started. You first want to sign up with a trusted house sitting platform like Trusted House Sitters or Nomador. Then you create a compelling profile that highlights why you would make a great house sitter. Then you would start applying for opportunities that match your desired location and schedule. Once you land a gig, be sure to do a great job so that you can get positive reviews and repeat clients. You'll then start watching the money roll in as you get more clients going forward. Next up on the list is tutoring. If you have any knowledge or skills on just about any topic out there, you can get started tutoring, and there are many benefits to tutoring, including the flexible hours and the ability to work from home and the satisfaction of helping others succeed. First, you will register with a tutoring website like tutor.com. This is an online platform that connects tutors with students. Then you'll want to start marketing yourself. Once you've registered, start promoting your services to friends, family, and anyone else who might be interested. You can also join online tutor groups and forums to meet potential students. Set your rates. Be sure to charge an hourly rate that is competitive with other tutors in your area. Once you've found students, set up a schedule and start teaching. You can tutor in person or via Skype or another online platform that allows you to use a webcam. Just let me know in the comment section which side hustle sounds the most appealing to you, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. This is just the beginning. There are so many ways to make money out there. If none of these sound appealing to you, then you must watch this next video right here. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.